Hello, and welcome back to another video on daily weather charts. These videos diagnose the current weather pattern and then discuss how it will play out for the upcoming day. Today's charts are valid for June 13th, 2023. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll get started. And we'll start today with the upper level satellite water vapor view. And we have an upper level swirl that is located over the Great Lakes region, and that is the remnants from the storm system that brought the severe weather threat to the southeastern United States on Sunday. And then back to the west, we have the jet stream that is helping to stream higher moisture content from the Pacific Ocean over here. And that's going to be making for an active weather pattern for the southern United States over the next few days. And we're going to see that coming up here in just a moment. So let's check out the radar for tonight. For overnight, it's going to be kind of a quiet night after we have some active storms over Texas and the western high plains. That brought some large hail reports into those areas. Otherwise, a mostly quiet night for much of the United States. And that's going to change coming up for the next day or two. So let's look at our upper air maps for today. We're starting at 300 millibars, and we are looking for the jet stream. And so the jet stream today is kind of elongated from the desert southwest up into the Ohio Valley. And this is kind of an anomalously strong jet stream. Usually this is kind of a pattern that we see in April or May. But in mid-June, this is pretty strong. We have about 90 to even about 100 knots of flow in some spots at 300 millibars. So that's partly responsible for bringing the active weather pattern that we're going to see here in the southern United States over the next few days. And so at 500 millibars, we have an upper level low that is located over the Great Lakes region and centered over Lake Michigan. And with a belt of enhanced flow over the southern United States, we have 40 to 50, even 60 knots in some spots over in West Texas and southern New Mexico. And that's going to provide additional upper level support for additional rounds of thunderstorms coming up this week. And at 700 millibars, we have a short wave that is located over West Texas, and that's going to be moving to the east as we go through the next couple of days, and that's going to provide additional lift for the thunderstorms that we're going to see developing across the southeastern United States. And then at 850 millibars, we've got a broad low-level cyclone with counterclockwise flow flowing around it, and that is showing an organizing storm system that's going to be taking shape over the next couple of days. And now looking down at the surface, we have our low pressure system that is over New York with the trailing cold front down into the southeastern United States. And behind it, that's bringing in cooler and drier air down from the upper Midwest and even into Canada. And then to the west, we have an organizing low pressure system over New Mexico, and that's going to be bringing back some maritime tropical air mass from the Gulf of Mexico, and that is going to provide the moisture and instability for additional rounds of thunderstorms. And so I'm going to have another video coming out to talk about some of the additional rounds of storms that we're going to see. And so be on the lookout for that. That should be available by sometime tomorrow. And so that's going to cover it all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.